Hello friends, this is Kajal Khatri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to put some light on how to draw a line using processing. Drawing a line in processing is simple and requires just one function, line. First, you need to set up your canvas using the size function in the setup function like this. So I'll write void setup and in the brackets I'll write size 500 and 500, ending with a semicolon. Let me also write a comment here. Now, let's write the draw function. So I'll write void draw. And in this, let me set the background to 255, which is white color. So I'll write the background in parentheses and I'll write 255 ending with a semicolon. So now we are drawing a line. In a draw function, we'll use line function to draw a line. So let me write line function here by saying line in parentheses. So next, line function takes 4 arguments, the x and y coordinates of starting point. So let me write 100 and 100 for both. And the x and y coordinates of the ending point. So let's write 300 and 300 for those. And a semicolon. Now guys, let's run this and see what output we get. So I'll hit the run button from the toolbar here. And we got a line here as expected. So guys, this is how you draw a line in processing using line function. Now let's try adding another line beside this one. For that, I'll go to draw function and copy the line function and paste it below. Let's just change its x and y coordinates. Let me write 200, 100, 400, and 300. Ending with a semicolon. Now let's run this again using a button from the toolbar. Yeah guys, we got another line using line function in the draw method as we wanted. That's it guys. Thanks for joining me in this creative journey. Until next time, stay inspired and keep coding.